Ask the doubt.
Sir, this is Balaji here. Apollo Hospital. Yesterday, when we did the analysis, we thought like it will go up, but today suddenly a lot of things changed and it started falling. I could exit my position, but I just wanted to understand how we can, because if we are taking as a long-term position, how we can analyze and protect or come out of the positions.
What is long term?
Long term means like maybe 1 week or so. Because this was like December expiry. Sorry.
Tell me that. So
December expiry.
when you are using the problem with many people, they will send me a message, sir, I bought, whether it is good or not. The simple line. They will never write what the time frame they are trading. Okay? They will simply write like this. Sir, I bought Apollo Hospital. Is it good or not? What do you want me to reply in this? In 1 minute it may be bearish. In 3 minutes it may be bullish. In 5 minutes it may be bearish. In 15 minutes it may be bullish. In 1 hour it may be bearish. In 1 day it is bullish. What do you want me to write?
So this I have taken December expiry on 1 minute chart, sir.
1 minute. 1 minute means what is 1 minute?
Intraday.
It's intraday. Answer anything. Now the entire 50 people are going to answer. Just wait and watch. What is you bought for intraday delivery?
Yes, sir. Delivery.
Then why you said intraday? Then why you said intraday?
I have taken this for delivery, sir.
So the wrong. Whether you are wrong or Apollo Hospital is wrong.
I am wrong.
Answer. Next question. Next question.
Sir,
I'm going to explain whatever question you are going to ask. I'm going to explain everything, and it is there in the PPT. They are Mr. Rupesh.
Sir Rupesh, I'm an intraday trader and I'm trading in only Nifty future with 1 minute and 3 minute multi-time frame confirmation. So I just want to confirm. I don't have doubt. I just want to confirm from you. Today, two times my stop loss hit it for the buy and sell. Is it right or wrong?
Yes, right.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. When you are following 1 minute, follow 1 minute. When you are following 3 minutes, follow 3 minutes. Don't try to mingle the both as of now.
Okay. What I'm doing is, sir, I backtested fortune signal. What I have found is, if I only follow 1 minute, there will be times I will lose the money. I need to get confirmation from 3 minutes. Means I'm buying in one G buy. But if there is a 3 minute sale, then I will not buy. I will wait for both the signals confirmation. 3 minute G buy and 1 minute G buy.
Excellent. If it is working, kindly go with it.
I'm working with. Yes. Thank you, sir.
Good. Next.
Sir, I'm Shekhar here.
Yeah.
Sir, as suggested by you, I'm doing only Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now, since I work in petroleum sector, I know that sugar is a seasonal business. It started in November, it will last up to May. And Bank Nifty and Nifty, I'm only saying only in 3 minutes time frame. So this one, can I go for a higher time frame, 15 minutes or something?
Which one?
Sugar sector.
Sugar sector. Last 10 days before I said I like sugar, even though I'm diabetic patient. That is the message I gave in Telegram, and that is the same message I gave in WhatsApp. That is based on the planetary position I have entered long.
Yes.
Right? That is based on the planetary position. Which planet will have a huge impact on sugar? I entered. I made a big mistake of not entering rice. Which was KRBL. I never thought that it would go like that, but it is going crazy. But I missed it. I was in Renuka, I was in Bajaj Hindustan and Balram Purchin. Okay? All three are rocking. See, the sugar sector is a positional view. Never mix the positional view into your trading view.
Okay.
One more thing. I don't know what is the capital you have. If you don't have more than 5 lakhs capital, you are not eligible to trade anything other than Nifty and Bank Nifty. You are not eligible. I'm telling you right away. If somebody is having 1 lakh capital, 1.25 lakhs capital, you are not eligible to trade even Bank Nifty. If you listen to my words, you will sustain in the market for so long. If you think that what many people are saying that bring 5,000 rupees every day, 2,000 rupees is possible in option and all, then you need to try them only. And maximum in 2-3 days you'll be out of the picture. Maximum 3 days you will survive. Fourth day your 5,000 is gone.
Sir, one doubt.
No. I'll finish. Why I'm telling this? If you trade in Nifty future, you need a minimum capital of 1.75 lakhs. Whatever the Zerodha is giving. So to do intraday, I think they are asking for 1 lakh or something like that. That I don't know. If you have that 1 lakh 1 lakh 25,000 or 1 lakh 50,000, even if the market comes suddenly, you will not get panicked. And that is why I am telling you to keep that money. If you have a small capital and if you start trading that, whether it is options, because many people used to ask that, I'm going to trade only on option. Why you are asking me 1 point? I rejected more than 50 to 75 people to join me because their capital is only 50,000. I said I will not take. If I want to make money, I would have taken them. Another 3 lakhs is in my kitty. But I don't want to take them. I know the problem. They will be out in the next 10 days time. And they will go out and they will curse me. Or they will write some stupid thing in my YouTube channel. The problem is not me. The problem is them. And even with 50,000 rupees capital, they will buy 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs. Thinking that option will not give losses. Or it will give only small losses. So again I'm saying, if you have only 1.25 lakhs, if you want to make 10% to 15 to 20% in a month, simply trade only 1 lot in Nifty. I'm talking about intraday. And if you don't have 2 lakhs capital, you are not eligible to trade. Forget it. Because you cannot take the position out. Suddenly if anything happens tomorrow, your money will be wiped out. At least 20-30% will go off. Then you'll be in panic. To recover that 10% or 20%, it will take another 2 months time. If you want to sustain in the market, listen to me what I'm saying. And never be greedy. Anyway, I'm going to talk everything about in my PPT, which I already mentioned. So this is the eligibility. Shekhar sir, if you are having more than 5 lakhs, then you are eligible to trade Nifty, Renuka, Bajaj Hindustan, anything and everything. Same. If you are following 15 minutes in Nifty and Bank Nifty, same thing. Renuka also. There is no change because you are a positional player. 15 minutes positional in anything it will work.
Right.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Based on ONM I decided the numbers, UBL had been allotted to me. It has already given a move for around 100 points from 15 minutes G-buy. So if at all this is for the whole month of December. So yesterday was the trend change date. I marked the high and low. It was trading almost in the same range. It has not moved neither up nor down. Suppose tomorrow if it gives a buy, should I wait for it to come to the blue line, or can I just go and buy? Same question. I know it is a stupid question. Then also.
See, I know you only catch the UBL exact entry. I know that. Okay. More than 10K in that.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Whether it has given any sell call in 15 minutes till now?
No.
Then why you are asking?
Because of this TCD I asked, sir. Okay.
TCD you asked, right? Whether it went and closed below TCD low?
No.
Then why you are asking this question?
Okay, sir. Right. Okay.
Enough. Done. Next.
Sir, just now you told me that this much capital only you are eligible to do trade and all. Suppose I have 1.75 and I want to do option in stock itself. So is it allowed?
Definitely you can do. No problem at all. But take one stock and do.
One lot.
No, only one stock, and you need to trade that stock for the next 6 months. You should not change.
Okay.
Select your stock.
Okay.
I'm not telling you not to do it. Select your stock. Again, I'm telling why I'm not telling you people to get into the stock right away is because it is more dangerous than Nifty.
I know. Okay.
Because you are, let's say, I don't know, let's take, BEL. I bought today 5,000 shares. Example. Okay. You bought today, and it went up by roughly, I bought 2 lots today. So it went up by 70 points, 70 paisa. Okay, and the option went up by 40 paisa. Right? Suddenly, tomorrow is 5% down.
Gone.
What will happen to my portfolio? Because stocks, we don't know, anything may happen.
Draw down. Yeah.
Right? If you have enough capital, then go for it. That is why I am not telling you to go for stocks. Believe me, even if you trade Nifty, the 20% is possible per month. But if you think that only stocks give you phenomenal money, no problem, try. The reverse also will happen. Where you will lose 50% of the capital in no minute. Because we don't know what is going to happen. Suddenly there is a fire in the factory or whatever nonsense. You will not know anything. As of now, everything is looking good. Everything is looking good. I bought Coal India, I bought BEL because it is the PSE on the verge of breakout. And these two stocks is not performed. So that is why I bought today. Who knows? Suddenly if tomorrow anything happens in Coal India factory, how will I know? If I am ready to mitigate the loss, then I am eligible to buy. If it goes down by 5%, which is 25, even if you take 5%, which is roughly around 7 rupees. 7 rupees of 5,000 shares, 35,000 rupees gone. 35,000 rupees gone in your portfolio.
See.
Then even if God comes and says buy Coal India, you will not buy. Because it is already in fear. So try to do Nifty for 3 months. See the profit, color of the profit, then jump into anything.
Okay. So Nifty and Bank Nifty, any one of them.
Anyone. 1.75 lakhs, you are eligible only for that.
Understood. Got it.
Right? Next.
Sir, if we wanted to trade Nifty or Bank Nifty, we have to trade only in futures and we need to square off by 350.
I will always say yes to it because in option you will not get that much premium. Number one. Like what the futures are moving. So options means you need to go deep in the money. For example, let's say after the G buy in 1 minute, if it comes and touches the blue, let's say 70,700, 18,700, you go on by 18,600. But many people will not do. They will go on by 18,800. They are thinking that they are brilliant. But even if this moves by 100 rupees, you will not get that moment. So I always prefer to trade Bank Nifty and Nifty in futures only.
And we should also square off by
350. You need to square off.
Okay, got it, sir.
No chance of taking home. Even Parthasarathi says in 15 minutes bullish, 5 minutes bullish, 1 hour bullish. God told me tomorrow that market will 1,000 rupees gap up. All not possible. Follow your rules. Close the shutter. And if you do this, and that is what I was telling to my yesterday when I conducted the online webinar. If somebody focus only on 1 minute in Nifty, he never made a loss in his life. Never. Monthly, he will be minimum 10 to 20% minimum. But the only problem with people is they want to make 100% every month. If I know that trick, I will not be wasting time with you at 9:47. Satyam, I will not waste my time. Believe me that. I will be spending time with my wife and daughter.
Sir, 1 minute future in Nifty, Bank Nifty, that is for intraday. But positional can it be done?
I think you have not seen. You have not seen none of the video. till now.
Sir. I'm asking because the people who are working, looking at
People those who are working, those who are not able to sit in the system, those who have job, kindly be in 15 minutes or 1 hour. Never,
future, right?
Future. Or if you don't want to try future and you are a little bit scary, simply for example, after 15 minutes, G-buy, when it comes and touches the blue, let's say it is touching the blue at 18,700, kindly go and buy the next week call. Not this week call, next week call, 18,650 or 18,600 and simply keep quiet. And if it is giving a G-buy in 15 minutes in the third week of the month, then simply buy next month, first week call. Because 15 minutes, you should not buy the weekly call because it is positional.
Got it.
It's positional. You should not buy the same week call again. That Thursday it will go for a toss. Again you will be shifting. And one day you will not shift it because of the panic. And after that it will open 200 points gap. Understood. Yes. Next.
TCD. Can we do TCD by cyclic that you are taught?
What?
Cyclic date for TCD. How we will decide TCD by cyclic? By using that you have taught in our lecture webinar for stock.
Same thing, boss. Connect the high and high, connect the high and low or low and high. Same system in stock also. Same system in stock also. There is no difference. Kindly go and do the back testing. It will work. And today Bank Nifty had a cyclic day. How many people told me? Nobody told me. And that was a excellent TCD. Believe me. Today TCD of Bank Nifty was the excellent TCD because the observation yearly given minimum. One has given more than 2,000 points. One has given more than 5,000 points. And today was the TCD.
Sir, last Friday you have messaged it is going to boom like anything in Bank Nifty. So I thought you know the cyclic date. Otherwise I would have.
No, I don't use cyclic dates. I never use cyclic date for my analysis.
No, sir. I was just telling today on Monday I'll be concentrating more on Bank Nifty kind of thing. You told on Friday. So that's what I was thinking. Otherwise I would have told you.
No problem. See, I will concentrate on based on the convergence.
Yes.
Number convergence, not on cyclic date.
Okay.
This
will be a combo for you.
Yeah, I know that, but nobody told me.
Last Friday's message it was literally a betray for me. Like I would have told you.
No issues. So kindly have a watch. That's all I want. Next.
Sir, this is for the magical candle. Is there a way to by way of observation know that yes, this is going to be the magical candle. So we could take a position.
No, come back again.
Is there a way to know that yes, this is going to be the magical candle? So magical candle happens only after we get a genuine buy. So if it's fell, we get a genuine buy, then only we come to know yes, this is going to be the magical candle. So is there a way to know it beforehand?
How it is possible?
Sir, I think he's somewhere wrong.
Without seeing the candle, emerge, how will you know that it is going to give magical candle?
No, if it's in sell and then it gives a G buy. then we say that yes, this is the magical candle.
No. After the G buy, it has to come down, touch the blue, go below the red, then the candle has to come. After that only it becomes magical candle.
Okay.
Right? How will I know that it is going to be magical candle?
Okay, got it.
The G buy, if it comes down and touches the blue color, and if it goes up without giving a magical candle, what I will do? See, why I am telling you that is a magical candle. Our idea is to buy only on the blue.
Yes.
By God grace, any magical candle happens, that is where I will buy more.
Okay.
I already bought in the blue. My quota is done. By God's grace, if it gives the magical candle, I will buy more.
Okay.
And clearly explain how to trade the magical candle also.
Okay. So, in which video, sir?
In 1,000 videos, I already explained how to trade magical candle. And again and again, I'm telling, please join my webinars. If you miss my webinars, believe me, even if I Ardashani, please be new. Yeah. If you miss my webinar and if you ask me for the recording, even if I give the recording, your mind will not go and open the video and it will watch fully. Believe me. 1,000 times I talked about how to trade magical candle. All this is there in the first 3 videos. Kindly go back and watch it. I will teach you today. No problem. Again, I'm telling. If you miss the webinar, the problem is with you. Because you will never come back and watch the video again. Believe me. You may go and watch some serial or you may go and watch some movie, but you will never come and watch this video. This is an habit. And second thing again, I'm telling. It's not only for Yash. Everybody. Now people are thinking that since I put pitchfork, I'm able to find everything out. Okay. It took me 3 years to come to that level in pitchfork. So never try to learn everything in one shot. First of all, try to master one. Try to master one. Then after you see the color of money, then try to do anything. Unless and until focus only on one, which is fortune signals. Because believe me, you people are not trained under my guru. If you are trained under my guru, you would have lost in the second round itself. He will never teach you again. Never. If we teach one strategy, he will give me minimum 1 month time. It may be a simplest strategy, but he will give me 1 month time to practice. I need to give what all I practiced in the last 1 month. And what are the outcomes? I need to write page. He will correct everything. If anything wrong, again I need to go back and work for another 1 more month. Till that time, he will never even talk about the second subject. But you people are not like that. First session over. Again, Wednesday, second session. Sunday, third session. Fourth Sunday, and again you want to mix Ichimoku, pitchfork, Gann angle, everything, and you want to enter the lowest point, select the highest point. You are doing so many things. And believe me, you will fail miserably. You will fail miserably. Understand this. It is not a joke. First of all, see the color of money. Because you people tried somewhere, you came to me for some reason. The main ultimate reason is money. And problem, most of the people, those who joined me, the problem is your psychology. You would have had a best system in your life. And I have given the best system for you to manage the emotion also. Now, after seeing the pitchfork, Ichimoku, all that thing, now you want to incorporate everything into fortune signals and you want to try something. Whether can I get the magical candle based on pitchfork, Ichimoku? You are trying so many things. Ultimately you will fail. Believe me. and trying 10,000 time cycles. Here, that, this one, 44, 45, 10,000 things. Finally, you will never make an entry. You will never make an entry. And that is why again and again I'm telling people, don't try to learn GAN. Waste of time. Take one system, work on that only. If it is 144. GAN is over for you. GAN is over for you, literally. For us, that is my job. So I need to learn everything. I will learn everything every day. Every day I'm learning something. Without learning, I will not go to sleep. That is my bread and butter. And I want to do this. And I love this. But I am doing all this after seeing the color of money. Because I am also in your same stage where I lost Langota many times. Again I'm telling. I lost Langota many times. And all my ordered bonus. So I don't want you to be in the same state. First follow one system for 3 months. See the color of money. Are you able to make 10% return in your portfolio every month? Believe me, that is 120% per year. Even nobody can give it to you. Please do that. Never get into. Suddenly I put pitchfork thing and see how this median line work like magic. Suddenly you don't try that. It takes lots and lots of time. First, try to make money. Then you do everything. And whatever till now I teach cyclic date. How many people are doing it? No, nobody. They want pitchfork. They don't want cyclic. Because now cyclic is the best one. That's the best one. Now you want pitchfork. Now tomorrow I will show you one more thing. Then you will throw pitchfork out there. Believe me, if I show one more stuff now, you will throw pitchfork tomorrow morning.
Don't show, sir, please.
Huh?
Don't show other things. Let us practice that.
I'm not going to show anything to anybody hereafter. Because of that only you are getting confused, no?
Exactly.
Why you want to show? Follow what is your rule. That is your rule. Please. I may be harsh. You people are not fortunate to have my guru as your guru. He will abuse me to the core.
Sir, who is your guru?
I don't want to tell you that. You can take it God, whatever. Okay. I have more than 7 gurus in my life. So never do that. Okay, and he will never talk to me. If I do anything wrong, if I don't do the homework, if I don't submit on the day which he mentioning, because he also have so many people to teach, and he will give correct time. This is the time you need to submit your complete journal. And believe me, it is nothing. Doing the back testing, taking the data is nothing. Whenever I take a trade, I need to write. I bought BEL because 15 minute GBay. Example. Blah 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 blah. After that, I knew to write. When I took my BEL position, my emotion was like this. I need to write my emotion there.
Shit.
So when I exited my position at 110, why I exited? What is the reason? And after if it goes to 115, okay, if I exited at 110, with all the conditions are right, I have been literally screwed by my guru. Literally. He will ask me a simple question. When you don't have stuff to buy that counter, to stay with that counter for a long time, when everything is good, why the hell you took the push? What do you want me to answer? So you people are fortunate. Again I'm telling. Until now, even though I get 100 messages, 200 messages, even 500 messages in my trading time also, I respond to everyone. I know the pain. I know the pain. I know the pain. I know the pain. I'm telling you, nobody will do this. I know one of my friends is doing the same thing. 3,000 rupees. 3,000 rupees is the monthly quota. No indicator. No indicator. Nothing. He will set only one video per day, per week, weekly. You need to trade. You need to trade based on that. Finished. Pay me 3,000. Pay me 3,000 rupees. He will never come and chat with you in the market hours. No mentorship session. Nothing. Only one weekly. Only one session. One video. Finished. And he talks only about a year day. 3,000 rupees. 3,000 rupees. And he is my very close friend and he is a doctor. And he is telling why the hell you are doing all this nonsense. That's what he's telling. So be fortunate because you got somebody because I know the pain. I know the pain when I lose money. So that's all I can say. Next. Yeah.
Today one observation, sir. Actually, my video is off, sir.
No, please. Adarshani, please be mute. Yeah, next.
Sir, today one observation, sir. Amar Raja, you have given a message for bike. Actually, it came late, sir. It's good. As a beginner, what I want is what is the problem what we are facing is by the time we are searching a good stock for putting our money, following your fortune signals. We are finding difficult to place at the right times. Is there a way to come out of it and just watch this so that systematically with the time we'll systematically watch it again and again and then catch the entry point.
Can anybody answer this question?
1 hour time frame.
Yes, yes.
So I can answer this. Focus on 1 or 2 stocks only.
Sir, you are a positional or intraday. What type of a player you are?
You have to focus on 1 or 2 stocks only.
Only two stocks, sir. Other than that, if you go for the third, you can't trade anything. In my experience.
That's all.
Shall I share my experience with fortune signals? If you permit me.
No, please go ahead. Please.
Actually, this is my second month with Partha sir. So I observed my system was excellent before that. Okay, but my exact problem was the timing. After using fortune signals, I was observing around 20 days I wasted. Okay. Ultimately, I observed one crucial thing, which Partha sir, I don't know, maybe he missed or whether he is telling us to find out on ourselves. The ultimate thing is whenever particular price is coming to blue or red, then we need to observe the remaining 2 things, which is Maheshwara and Shakti. Where are they? And accordingly, if I am a intraday trader, and if we observe where is Mahesha and Shakti, and accordingly, if we take the position, nobody is going to get lost.
Okay. All members.
Today,
literally, all members. Any old members here? Because
Yes, sir.
when you should buy heavily, after the blue and red, when you should buy heavily,
When the Shakti line and Mysore line is below the blue.
and when you need to buy more heavily,
Near pink lane.
No. When blue and the red field in between the light blue and the pink all converge into one.
Difference is very small.
Converging into one. You buy even 100 quantity also. I'm talking about 50 or whatever. 100 lot also no.
Can you repeat, sir? Whoever questioned you, let me tell you clearly to them. I traded in intraday today in 1 minute time frame. Usually I used to trade in 1 minute time frame, and since joining sir, also I have traded observed in 1 minute only. Only today I traded with my full quantity, and today I literally tripled my capital, employed capital in Nifty. I only trade in Nifty.
That's all.
Sir, this is
live testimony or whatever you think, sir.
No problem, boss. I'm happy. See, always remember. That's why again I'm saying, if you miss the video, if you are not willing to watch the video fully, you will miss these points. I will buy whenever a blue and the red in between the light blue and the pink is merging together. I will literally buy heavy quantity. And the vice versa. It gives the genuine self. If it is coming back and touching the blue, between the blue and red, if my pink and another blue is converging into it, that is where I confirmed.
Yes, sir, what you are telling is will happen sometimes.
Yeah, very lovely.
Yes, sir. But what I am telling, my observation was like even in 1 minute time frame. Say for example, today Shakti line was somewhere in daily time frame. Around 1700 or something. If you see yesterday, 1700 789 was the Shakti line. But when I come to my time frame, which is 1 minute, it was literally it came below in the first candle itself, and I sold like. I was dumbstruck like I sold it. Whatever the money management I have, like 10%, I sold it. And whenever the Shakti and Maheshwara line was converging, that was really if we have to observe exact trade, like what is going to happen, we can observe Shakti and Maheshwara line. As simple as that.
Watch the video. All it is given this. Okay, next talk. Thanks, Hari. Yes, sir. Next talk.
Yes, sir. This converge is applicable for all the time frame.
All the time frame, boss. Okay. All the time frame.
Okay.
Sir, one question in Colgate Palmolive, since that stock has been given to me today, that stock after traveling on the higher on the 15 minutes chart, it's come to a sell, and at the closing it's stopped exactly at its O&M number. And just to counter check, I just looked at the 1 hour time frame also, and there also it has come exactly still in the buy mode in the 1 hour time frame, and there also it has come and stopped exactly at the Brahma Vishnu as well as the Shakti line. And the O&M number obviously is the exact point. So at this juncture, do we actually, what kind of approach should we take in such a contrasting scenario?
So when it is happening after 3:15 or around the market closing, we can read for tomorrow first 15 minutes. Okay. Because even if you ask me, I don't know what's going to happen. It may even take a reverse from here and go up. So we are in dilemma.
Right.
Give it one more 15 minutes, can.
Okay.
That's it. Next. So your doubts clear? So your doubts clear? Can we go to the chapter?
Sir, one question. Last question. If we are trading bank or Nifty future, we don't have to look for spot Nifty data, right?
Again, I'm telling. I will use only Nifty spot for my trading. Okay, I don't believe in future. But sometimes, let's say 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, spot will give the genuine sell. But future will not give you a fake sell. Right? So, for example, let's say I bought at 40,000 bank. Okay, bank Nifty. It is going up. And suddenly at 41,000, it is turning back. And Nifty spot gave a genuine sell. But bank Nifty future, it is a fake sell. So what I will do, simply I will close everything. I will not go short. Number one, because I'm in dilemma. Because the second future also has to give me a sell. It has not given. But for you as a new guy, if you want to follow only Nifty spot, bank Nifty spot, follow only bank Nifty spot. Don't look at the bank Nifty future. Understood? Later on, we will combine everything. Because I don't want to give everything in one shot. Believe me, you will be confused.
So we have to follow one chart at least.
Follow only Nifty spot. Follow only Nifty spot. It will take care of you. If you want to follow only Nifty future, follow only Nifty future. Ignore Nifty spot. If you ask me what I will follow, I follow only spot. And I will never watch any stock futures. Never. I will go only if it is a stock. I will go only with stock spot. I will not go and check future. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Shall I add some?
Yeah, please.
Today I checked only Nifty spot. Okay. And I have drawn all the lines which you have shared in PPT. Okay, 944 was the 644 was the deadline for bearish this thing. Okay. So I catch each and every move with regard to fortune signal, including Maheshwara and Shakti line, as well as your the levels which you have given.
Today, if you go and see,
believe me, if you have asked me the same question on Friday, I would have told you like this is bullshit. But Saturday I sat down and drawn all the lines which you have shared in your PPT. That's why I have asked you in the morning. Please share me December ONM this thing.
Okay.
So I was literally dumbstruck. Today it was like a revelation for me.
Even if you remove fortune signals, okay. For me, I don't need fortune signals. Even if you remove fortune signals and you put only my numbers, market will respect my numbers than fortune signals. Today the low future, bank Nifty future is my number. And this number was given to you on 26th of November.
Yes, sir. You have clearly mentioned there like 54 points from the pivot low of the weekly in Nifty 18644 was the then. If I calculated 590 was the stop loss, and from 591 it had bounced like anything.
It will because it is not a GAN number. Anyway, I know that you follow GAN. It is not GAN number.
Yes, sir.
It is something else.
Hello.
Yeah.
Believe me, I catched exactly at 595. I was in buy. I closed my short and I was in buy at 595.
Good. Right, next, Rupesh. Yeah, Mr. Rupesh.
Sir, if you allow me, I have a question to Hari sir. If you allow me.
Please, go on. I'm happy.
Hari sir, I think you made money in the morning sale momentum. So after that, in fortune signal, I had stop loss for 1 minute G buy and 1 minute G sell.
No, Rupesh.
So I just want to know how you traded. So it's for everyone.
Initially, according to my system, I have shorted, and according to Sir's system, I have been into buy 595. Why? Because he.
What is it finally? What is it finally?
Sir, you have told in the PPT 644 was the pivot.
Which one you are talking about?
54 points. You have to keep stop loss and.
Okay.
Even that I followed.
Okay.
So from there, even my system was telling like it is going to it is going to take a reversal. That was my confirmation. Okay, based on my and there also even in the middle where it had gone all the way to 719 and it came back to 644. That was even each and every move I have captured today. Based on my observation since last 1 month, it had been 1 month since I have been with you. Based on your levels, as well as my own strategy.
No problem. Okay,
I merged all the things, and the main pivot was your fortune signal.
No problem. Rupesh, I will explain you today. Which one you want? You want Nifty or Bank Nifty?
Nifty futures, sir.
Shall we go and do it?
Yes, sir.
Session is over. Can we take the class now?
Yes, sir.
Watch this. You want in spot or future?
Spot.
Here no numbers. Okay? Plain vanilla. Rupesh. Now you tell me. What you will do after G7? Because it is very clear. There is no buy. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So there is no buy. We are not buying good. And very clear. It was very clear. First 15 minutes I know. Trend change day. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Shell came. Genuine.
Yes.
Okay. If you are following only the blue. The condition I am talking about only the blue. Because you are all new player. You are not supposed to go short here. No, you are not supposed to go short. This is only for the people those are already experienced, those are already in the system for 3 months. Because here the stop loss will be bigger. So you need to wait for the blue. Okay. Now after the sale, whether the blue touched.
No.
Correct? No. Whether the blue touched.
Yes.
So you went short here.
Correct.
You should never put your dustbin saying that it already came down very badly. How much it will go down? All that you will not think. You should never think about all that. Whenever it comes and touches the blue, you need to sell. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You sold here.
Right.
Ready around 18,620.
Right.
You sold. Fake buy.
Yes.
You covered here.
Yes.
18,640.
Yes.
Yes.
20 points loss. 20 points loss.
Right. Right.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Next.
Blue.
After that, it does not came and touch the blue. Came and touch the blue here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Stop loss triggered.
Sir.
Again. 690 you bought. 670 you sold. Again 20 points minus. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Minus 40.
Sir.
Again sold here.
Sir.
Stop loss triggered.
Yes.
You sold it 18,660. Covered at 80,680. 20 points minus.
Yes, sir.
Totally 60 points. Came down and touched the blue.
Yes, sir.
Bought here.
Yes, sir.
18,660. It closed at 18,690. And you need to close your position at 315. So you closed here at 18,709.
Sir.
Total loss is 15 points. What is the problem in this? What is the problem in this?
Nothing.
If you are not ready to lose 750 rupees, please be out of market.
Psychology is the main problem.
The problem is the psychology. Why? Because suddenly, sometimes this happens because it will not come and touch the blue. In case it would have touched the blue, you would have captured this complete move. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, even if it's here, you will be still in profit. Again, the same thing happened. After it gave a buy, it has not touched the blue till here. So you missed this also. Yes or no?
Yes.
That is what is itching you. But why I'm telling you to buy at the blue? Because you will get panicked suddenly if you bought at the blue or at the genuine buy here. If it comes and touches here, or if it goes here, you will get panic. And that is why I am not telling you to do it. Because this 33 points, suddenly let's say this is the G by here. And if it comes here, this is 40 points. You will not sit, believe me. And that is why I am telling you guys to wait for the blue. Let it come and take the Ashirwad Brahman Vishnu. What is your problem? If it is not giving that opportunity today, tell market I am very happy today because I have not traded. The only problem is the compulsive trading. You need to do something because you are sitting in the market.
Exactly.
This is the only problem in which people lose a lot of money. The example is Sushma madam. She's saying, sir, 9:15 I need to do something, sir. Whether F1 or F2, no other go. If you don't give me keyboard also, I will even take the phone and I will do F1, F2. Because that is the compulsive trading in which she got screwed. And now she know what to do.
Yes, sir.
She is the finest example. So today it has not given you opportunity because it has not came and touched the blue. And you miss this rally. Your mind will not work on that. Believe me, I know the psychology. Because this phenomenal move. If in case this happens, close the shutter. Go and do something else. Go and do something else. Very simple. Believe me, market will come and give you opportunity tomorrow morning. Compulsive trading will throw you out not even 90 days. It will throw you out in 15 days.
1 week is enough, sir.
The real thing is coming out.
6 days, 5 days of trading, weekend we will shut down everything and run away.
Very nice. Very nice.
That's why we came to you, sir.
If it is Thursday, then it's whole. You can lose Thursday expiry also.
Right. No problem. No problem. Now let's go to the topic. So you all know only because of psychology you lose money. So if you are a compulsive trader, because of all this, or the biggest compulsion is this.
FOMO.
This is the biggest compulsion. You have to do something because your mind is not ready. Because everybody is participating. I also participate at 9:50. My guru always say only the mental will trade from 9:15 to 9:45. Only the mentals will trade from 9:15 to 9:45. The genuine people will come and trade at 9:45 to 11. The classic people will trade only from 12 o'clock to 2:30. Why? Here it is only the emotion is playing. Or somebody would have bought long, he will square out the position. Somebody would have gone short, he will square out the all that will happen here. So the entire the lake will be only dust. You will not see the clean water. So after all these mentals go out, the water will start showing the dust will go down and it will take rest and all that. It takes minimum 1.5 hours time. And my guru used to come to my office only by 11 o'clock. 12 he will analysis which stock he needs to buy. 1 hour analysis. He will start trading from 12 o'clock. He will 2:30. He will close the position, cut off. He will go off. And he'll say at 2 o'clock to 2:30, all the mental people will be completely sloshed. And they don't have brain to think. They don't have brain to think. Because already last year, everything last year. So now, since the mental is not coming, the water will be pure. He will buy. He will wait for this mental to come at 2:30. This mental again will come and join. Because compulsive trading. Because he already lost. So he has to make everything from 2:30 to 3:30. Again this mental will come. He will offload everything. He'll go home. This is the truth. This is the truth. And if you go and see any graph, if the market opens in the morning after 10:30, there will be a pause. There will be a pause. This is where people analyze. And this one, are dealing. I was in institutional dealing. I was in institutional dealing. All the big guys, mutual funds, or the domestic institutions, they will come and give the order only at 10:30 only. They will come and give the order only at 10:30. They will not come to the market before that. They will say, I have given the order to you 10:30, start the execution from 11:30, finish off everything by 2:30. And they will give some conditions. We know the conditions. In what condition we need to buy. In that, we know how to screw you. Because this is our job. Our job is to screw you. So from 11:30, because my order is 5 lakh shares Reliance. The same order is given to 10 brokers. The same order will be given to 10 brokers to buy 50 lakh shares of Reliance from 11:30 to 2:30. So whoever gets the best today, he will get 10 lakhs tomorrow. 10 lakh shares to buy tomorrow, whichever share. And it will be taken out from one broker and it has given to me. Whoever failed today, not able to buy at the lowest price, he will be kicked out next day. So we only know how to screw you, because only if I screw you, you will give the entire quantity to me. So what I need to do? I need to go and hit your stop loss. I need to go and hit your stop loss. That is my duty. If I do that, instead of buying 100 shares, I will buy the quantity here, because all the retail people, entire quantity will be here. 10 share, 20 share, 100 share, 200 share, 500 share, blah blah blah. Everything is here. Thinking that this is the stop loss, and the candle is here. This is the stop loss. The recent low was this. So you will give plus or minus at least 3-4 rupees. You will give the stop loss here. I will come and hit like this. I will come and hit like this with the same share which I bought already. Morning I would have bought some quantity. The same share I will come and hit you. Then all the quantity will be mine. And immediately when I take this up, everybody will jump. Everybody, because you lost here, you will jump and you will take the stock. Again I will kill you here. Again it will come down. And this is how we buy quantity. So that is why I am saying keep your mouth shut till it comes and sit in your lap. If you jump here and all, your stop loss will be big. They will come and hit you, and you will not sit for this 40 points. In one day, if you are not getting the quantity, no problem. Leave it. Come tomorrow. Trade next day. Okay. So again I'm saying your emotions are feeding the exchange and the broker, not the system. Your emotions are feeding the exchange. Remember this. Okay. And if you have something like this in your idea, in your mind, please tomorrow morning go out of the stock market. This is inevitable. This is inevitable. Even if God comes and gives one system to you, let's say it is God's signal also, you will lose money. You will lose money. So if you are thinking this is not possible, I will only make money, then this is not the place for. This is not the place for. Okay. Again say all indicators are 100% genuine except our dustbin. Except our dustbin. Our emotions are the biggest enemy for the trade like a robot. Our subconscious mind is 100 times better than the robot. Believe me, if you know how to train it, it gives you tremendous result. And that is why I am telling you to hear that audio. If you are not ready to hear that audio, I cannot come every day to your house, put the video on, put the earphone in your ear, and then say, Baba, please. I cannot do all that. It is your responsibility.
I'm doing daily.
It is your responsibility to do it. Okay. Even though we have 100% conviction on the fortune signals, do your baptist, because this is what is going to give lot of feedback to your subconscious mind. Because you already seen enough system in your life and all failed miserably, and that is why you came to me. There also you would have made the same mistake. This one. There also you would have made the same mistake. Why I am telling backtesting, because this is the one which is going to give you instruction to your subconscious mind. It will say, yes, the fortune signal is really working good. There is an instruction to your subconscious mind. So whenever it comes and touches the flue, the subconscious mind will tell, don't worry about it. Fortune signals will take care. Buy now. You will buy. Rather than it will give a loss, at least you will take an attempt to buy. This is all your training your subconscious mind. And I am telling back testing only for that. I understood why my guru is testing me to the core, doing back testing, the same system for 3 months. Later on I understood. Now that system is in my blood now. It is already in my blood. And you should never always you should know when not to trade rather than when to trade. This was my first lesson which was taken by my Chennai guru. If you know this, you are 90% success. You should know when not to trade rather than when to trade. Think 1,000 times before entering the market, because after that nothing is in your hands except the yes or no. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So understand this. Before entering 10,000 times also no problem. But after entering, only this is going to save you. Rest, you don't have any. We don't know whether the market is going to go up or go down. All that we don't know. We know only one thing. My entry is at the blue. I know my stop loss. Finished. My stop loss maximum in 1 minute is 33 points. My game over. My loss is 1,800. I'm ready to give this 1,800. At least for 7,000 rupees. Game over. 1:4 or 1:5. Understood?
Sir.
Yeah. Now. Many people want to understand market without understanding who they are. First of all, you need to understand whether you are a scalper, or an intraday player, or a positional player, or a swing player, or an investor. This is based on your capital, your risk-taking capacity, your time you can spend in the market. Everything can be included in this. If any of the things fails, for example, if you are not able to concentrate in the market, please be mute. If any of you are not able to concentrate in the market from 9:15 to 3:30, then this is not possible for you. Ignore. Then you can concentrate maybe on and off. You can concentrate on 3 minutes. I'm talking about fortune signals. Even when you go out of me, you can use the same thing in whichever time frame which you are trading. If you cannot do this because of your office condition, the next is this. Based on your capital, based on your risk-taking capacity, positional sizing, everything. That's what I told you initially. If you have 7.5 lakhs capital, if you are trading in positional, you are eligible to trade only in 5 minutes. If you are having 2.5 lakhs capital, you are eligible to trade positional in 15 minutes. If you have 5 lakhs capital, you are eligible to trade in 1 hour, in one lot in Nifty future. 1 hour. So you need to understand who you are. If you understand this thing, you will not ask any questions to me, because all the questions will be answered automatically. If you are a scalper and intraday player, you are not supposed to take your position home. Even God comes and says tomorrow Adani Enterprises is going to go by 10,000% also, are not supposed to take that position home. If you are a positional player and if you are following 15 minutes, even God comes and says tomorrow market is going to crash, you say hell to God. So follow your time frame first. If you follow this, then there won't be any problem at all. And the second biggest thing is, if I have 1 lakh capital, my idea is to generate 1 lakh per month profit per month. This is the biggest problem. Can anybody do this? Can anybody do this? Every month 1 lakh. Every month 1 lakh. So before you are getting into the market, after understanding the system, go and think what you want from the market. How much return is good for me without taking lot of pain? Whether it is 1,000 rupees per day, or 2,000 rupees per day, or 500 rupees per day, or even 5,000 rupees per day. Whatever it is. First of all, understand this and stick with this. You need to select this first. If you are having 1 lakh capital, my idea is to generate 1,000 rupees, or my idea is to generate 2,000 rupees. That's all. If you get 2,000 rupees on that day, close the system. If that happens at 9:30 itself, close the system, run away from the market. Go and do something else. So after understanding who you are, then you need to understand what you want to achieve from the market. But it should be reasonable. It should be reasonable. Again saying, in 1 lakh, 2,000 rupees is a big challenge. I failed miserably in this exercise. Miserably means miserably. And my cutoff is not even 2,000. My cutoff is only 500 rupees per day. My first test. I need to make 500 rupees per day. And my capital is too much. But I'm supposed to trade only 1 lakh, that too 75 shares. At that point of time, it is 75 shares. So I need to take only 500 rupees per day. If I pass this exam for 3 months, then I can increase 500 rupees to 1,000 rupees per day. Rule. From 500 rupees to 1,000 rupees move, it took me 1.5 years. 1.5 years. Because if I make 500 rupees continuously for let's say 18 days, on the 19th day, if I lose 500 rupees, I need to start from the beginning. Again, I need to do for 3 months. Then I need to submit my contract note to my guru. If I am passed, then my thing is increased from 500 to 1,000. It is not a joke. You can make 50,000 rupees in a day with 1 lakh capital. But 500 making 500 rupees for 30 days or 20 days in a month continuously without fail is the biggest task rather than making 50,000 rupees in a day. Today somebody messaged me that the history of my life I made 45k. And I'm able to sit with the question completely in Adani, because he's the one you asked me.
Me, sir.
Over it. Tomorrow I'm giving the same challenge. Today you made 45k, no? Take the same challenge. And show me 500 rupees profit for next 4 days. Continue. Show me.
Okay, sir.
He will fail.
Let me try.
Because I know the tough in this. I know the tough. After you buy, it should not go down by 10 rupees. Believe me that. You are lost. Because your risk reward is only what I'm asking. You will die. Then what do you need to do? You need to wait for the lowest position to buy. And that is what I wait for my magical candle.
Okay.
Very tough. It is not a joke. So whenever you are starting, start with the smaller amount. Keep a reasonable amount is your profit. As the profit which you need to generate per day. Keep only 1,000 rupees, no problem. Believe me, if you do this for 3 months, and if your subconscious mind understood that, whenever Amit enters, he makes 1,000 rupees profit. Yeah. Whoever it is. Maybe Hari or Amita, whoever it is. If 3 months, if your subconscious mind understood that, yes, now it is not the past Amit, this is a new Amit. Then adding one more zero here is not a problem, boss. Instead of one contract, we are going to make 10 contracts. That's all. Adding one more zero is not a problem at all. But unless and until if you don't do this 1,000 rupees per day on a consistent basis, getting into the 10 lakh, it is impossible. You will be trading with 1 lakh for your life. One day profit, one day loss. One day profit, one day loss. Ultimately, Zerodha will make money. So you need to go and sit and decide this first. How much I want in a month. Okay, my capital is 5 lakhs. I need 50,000 rupees. If I take this 50,000 rupees in the next 7 days time, I am out of the market for next 20 days, 13 days. I will watch the market. I will not trade. These are the conditions which you need to put. And that is why I'm telling why Nandini madam, pass every month 100% only because of this rule. She makes 100% every month. And only Nifty. Not even Bank Nifty. Even if I give Bank Nifty number also, she will not buy. She understood very clearly that I need money. Whether if it comes from A or a B or a C or a D, she doesn't care. And she understood, okay, A is Nifty, it is working well for her. And my number, she understood candlestick pattern from some other guru. He is also a very good guru in the field. So she learned everything from there. From there, he came to me. Now she started using fortune signals, my numbers, my timing, and candlestick pattern. She's rocking. And seventh day, she will finish her quota. Seventh trading day, she will finish her quota. And she has his own rule. And she'll follow only that rule, and the rule has to match fortune signals. If that happens, she will trade and she will buy 500 shares of Nifty. But she will wait for that to come. If it is not coming, she will be watching the market, but she will not trade. That is discipline. And that is why she is able to make money. And our target is very simple because our capital is only 1 lakh. And now she already made more than 7-8 lakhs. Again she's the total capital which is available in the Zerodha account is only 1 lakh. She'll take the profit out. She will not bring it to the system. She will wait for the opportunity to buy again 500 shares. And she will sit with a full trending move. And last month she called me and said that she was literally crying. She said, sir, I made 89,000 rupees profit in a single day with 1 lakh capital. And my quota is over, sir. I will trade for one more day. Once my 1 lakh is done from third day, I will not trade for the whole month. But I will be watching the market. I will not trade. That is this. Because our goal is achieved. And believe me, she is in the market for more than 6-7 years, and she is very successful. So when you have a bigger target, saying that my capital is 1 lakh, I want to make every day 20,000 rupees, means this 1 lakh will be wiped out in 5 days. So to get that 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees per day, you need to decide how much quantity you need to buy, how many points you need to make. There ends the matter. 40 points, yeah. 1 lot, 2,000 done. Close the system, run away. And whenever blue comes and touch 40 points is guaranteed, more or less. Yes or no?
Sir.
Next. Stick with one time frame. Suddenly trading in 1 minute. Immediately Partha says, no, in 15 minutes I sold. Immediately go to the 15 minutes and immediately you cut your position. Because Partha sold. Because Partha is God, no? Because he is the one who is controlling Nifty. Help Partha, let him go and die.
Each Anjalo.
Please be in mute. So if you are following 1 minute time frame as a fresher, at least 3 months, never change your time frame. Don't look at another time. Don't look at another time. I will teach you how to train with one minute to 3 minutes, 3 minutes to 5 minutes. I will teach you all later. But concentrate at least for 3 months one time. Never change and never look at the next time. And the next one, to one index or one stock at least for 3 months. If you go on trying Pakistan, Ambuja, immediately Amar Raja, immediately Tata Steel, immediately Coal India, blah. All the money will be given to the market. Because Partha is buying on something else. You are not fit for the trade because you are not in that category based on these conditions. So why you are looking at Partha? If you want to take trade, for example, Titan only. Don't even look at Amar Raja. Titan will give you money. Stick to one stock. If somebody is doing this, believe me, he will make solid money. And my guru always says, if you have maximum portion of more than 3, be ready, you are going to lose money. Be ready, you are going to lose money. I am talking about trading. I am not talking about investment. Please understand that. I am talking only about trading now. I am not talking about investment. That is different chapter altogether. So stick with one stock or one index 3 months for 3 months minimum. And stick to one quantity at least for 3 months. Suddenly, let's say if you are starting with 1 lot Nifty, you should not increase to 2 lots for next 3 months. You are eligible to move to second lot based on the profit which you generated in the last 3 months' time. For example, let's say in 3 months' time, on an average of 20,000 rupees, you made 60,000 rupees in the last 3 months based on 1 lakh capital. Then you are eligible to take 2 lots. If not, again you need to trade only in 1 lot. If continuously 3 days loss, you need to take break for minimum 2 days, including Saturday, Sunday. 4 days, you need to be out of the market. 2 days, you should not even see the market. On the third day, you need to come and sit with the market. Take your trading thing, see where all you made a mistake. You need to write all the mistakes, and from next week you should not carry on the same mistake. And when you are coming back, let's say if I do this is what the exercise which was given to me. When I was trading 3 lots, if I make continuous loss for 3 days, I am not supposed to trade on Thursday and Friday. Saturday, Sunday, I need to do my exercise. Again, I need to start from Monday. On Monday, I need to start again from 1 lot. Again, I need to trade for 3 days. If there is any loss, again 3 days rest. This has to continue. Because if you continuously lose 3 days, fourth day, all system will take a back seat. Your mind will come into the picture. Your mind will take the entire control, and that is where you do this. And that is where you do. What is this? Ego trading. It will wipe out your entire capital. It will wipe out your entire capital. People lose money because of this. Suddenly, morning you tried something, last 1,000 rupees. Again, after 12 o'clock, you tried something, last 1,000 rupees. And the mind will not allow you because you made a loss. The mind will say, no, you need to do something to recover this loss. Ultimately, at 3:30, 7,000 loss. Because this 5,000 is because of your ego. Because in this 5,000, all these logics will gone for a toss. Because no logic will come into the picture. You will forget everything when the ego starts trading. People fail miserably in stock market only because of this. If you are again going to do the same thing, you will stay with me for maximum 2 months. Many people left me. I don't care. Because they are not ready to follow any of this. They want quick success. They want putting 1 lakh. People are saying I am seeing portfolios of other people. They said 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs. Somebody is saying today I made 45,000 rupees on 1 lakh capital. Why I am not doing that? Why Partha is not teaching it? If you think that way, maximum 2 months. Third month you'll be out. You'll be searching for another group. And then the journey will be endless to find a group. And believe me, you'll be facing good gurus in your life, but you will fail miserably. Again and again you will fail miserably because you are not understanding who you are. Without understanding this, if you want to understand market based on pitchfork, fortune signals, blah 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 blah, this is what will happen. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So from tomorrow, whenever you are asking any questions, please think twice before asking the question. And already everything is given here. What time frame you need to trade? 15 minutes means what time frame? Who are you? You are a swing trader. When you are following 15 minutes to 1 hour. You can take positional trader. What are 5 minutes to 15 minutes position. Investor, daily, long-term investor, daily, Paramabul, weekly and month. Rules are the same in all time frame. Higher the time frame, higher the risk. Don't come and ask me. I bought Adani Enterprises at 3,895. I sold Adani Enterprises at 3,895. Suddenly it came down by 80 rupees. Suddenly it went up by 100 rupees. Please tell me how to cover this year. If you ask me this, if I have the answer for this, then I will not be wasting time 11 o'clock with you. I will not be wasting time. Nobody will waste time with you. If your target is achieved, year itself, run away from the market. The problem is the greedier. And you are not ready to cover the position here. You are only thinking how I should buy at the bottom and sell at the top. If I know this, or if Reliance Sampati knows this, he will never run Reliance Industries. He will be a hardcore trader every day morning 9:15 to 3:30. Yes or no? Yes. Why he is running a company? Do you think he will not have more better system than fortune signals or any other system? They know it is impossible. And that is why they are running a company. If you are thinking that you want to do this, please, 2 months, you are out of the system. Your 1 lakh will be taken away from the month. Market will take the entire 1 lakh from you. Please understand all this. I don't know. You would have been so many people. I don't know whether they taught you all this or not. I seriously don't understand. Okay. So okay, this is again fortune signals. Now I don't want to take this thing. That's all. So again, I'm saying this is not a small topic to answer right away. You need to sit in front of the mirror. And you need to answer this question one by one. You need to write it down in a paper.
Understood.
Unless you don't finish this exercise, don't come to stock market to trade. If you have answer for all this, then most of the things are clear. You are 90% through. Fortune signals will do the rest. If you think the other way around, he will do only minus 10%, and you want 110% from fortune signals. Please take the money and run away. If you want, I will give that money also which you paid me. You can take the money tomorrow morning. You can take the money and you can leave. I will give the money. No problem. So this is what you need to do now. Understood?
Sir.
Okay. Now. Question. So you people are using fortune signals. You people are using numbers. You people are using timing to make money. Whether all this is necessary to make money in stock market? Answer this question. You are using fortune signals. You are using numbers, timings, blah. Whether it is necessary to use all this to make money?
100%, sir. To certain extent, but if we don't have that discipline in place, then all the systems are just waste.
Okay, what is the discipline?
Whatever you told, who are you? Understand, identify who are you, and then there is the method like position sizing, and then a discipline, risk management, target.
Friends, don't leave now. I'm going to talk something important. Stay here. If you want to go out, that's up to you. Please. Sorry, money. Sorry.
Yes,
you need to follow everything. Then only it is possible. Correct. That's your answer. Correct.
Yes, sir.
I'm saying no. I'm saying no.
Sir, before taking trade, you should be sure that why are you not taking trade. You will find so many reasons to take trade, but you should be very much sure that why are you not going to take trade on that particular time. If you can find out, you can sort it out. Most of the problems would be solved.
Okay. So now you tell me whether intraday is tough or positional is tough.
Intraday
is tough. No, correct.
Yes.
Yes. Can a layman make money in stock market in intraday? You know what is layman? Right?
Yeah.
In case those who attended my webinar already in this topic, you can simply leave the webinar. Otherwise, you can keep quiet. And I want others to answer these questions. You know who is layman? The layman is one doesn't know what is Nifty. The layman is one doesn't know what is Nifty. But he will trade only in Nifty. And that too only in intraday. Only in intraday. Will he make money?
Yes, he can.
How?
By some discipline and risk management. Yes.
He doesn't know what is risk management.
Correct.
Next. Because he's a layman, boss.
He will just follow the rules what you told. When the line comes touches to blue, then you have to buy or sell and accordingly be in the position. When the signal comes, you have to quit.
The problem is this guy is an idiot. He doesn't have eyes and ears to watch the market. He's dumb and deaf. Can he make money in the market?
More likely.
How? Feelings, no feelings, no.
No feelings.
He is like a turtle, sir.
How will make entry? I understood this. There is no problem on the emotion side. I understand that. How will he buy? What trade he buy? Based on what he will buy.
System.
System. Because he's a layman. He doesn't know what is
Then
SMA.
he cannot make money.
When I'm telling, he doesn't know what is Nifty itself.
Cannot make money.
He cannot make money. Yeah. Another. I want more answer.
Sir, can I answer?
No. You already know the technique. You already know the technique. Yeah. Next. Understand. Please.
The layman, he will not listen anything, sir. He will just follow the fortune signals and he will do the thing. That's all.
He doesn't have what he doesn't know what is SMA. He's not with Pansar. He's not with anybody. He has a phenomenal system. They have no system. He wants to trade only in Nifty and only in intraday, only in future. Will he make money or not?
He'll see green and he'll come out, sir.
You don't want to see the system because he's totally tied up. He's the CEO of company, so he doesn't have time to trade the market. But he wants to do only intraday. Will he make money?
He cannot make money.
Answer, boss. Answer. Possible or not possible?
With luck, he will make money, sir.
This guy doesn't have luck here. He's person to the core. By God.
Not possible.
Not possible, sir.
Till the day your trading is discretionary, really impossible to make money.
So without seeing the terminal, it is impossible to make money in intraday, right?
Sir, only algo, but again he is a layman.
Don't talk about algo, gulgo, darling. Nothing. Algo, no gulgo. Okay? No algo, no even algo. I know how algo failed miserably. In 2007, somebody came out with algo to us. Okay, he said, I developed the system. Simply follow that algo. The system gives buy. You put the money, it will automatically buy, sell. We said very clearly, no problem. We'll take the challenge. You take Tata Motors, we take Tata Motors. You trade Tata Motors, we trade Tata Motors, and we will beat you. 3 months continuous beating. And this guy sold this system for 25,000 rupees. I'm talking about 2007. 25,000 rupees he sold. Then when we showed our system to him, he said we traded based on our brain and no algo. And algo gave phenomenal loss. We are in phenomenal profit. Run away from here. He's a Gujarati guy. Sorry, Ahmedabad guy. He ran away. We don't believe in algo. We don't believe in algo. That's what I already told you. Your subconscious mind is 1,000 times better than algo. If you know how to train my subconscious mind, no problem. Right? So now I'm going to give you 5 minutes time. I need to go and say hi to my daughter. Exactly. Till we will start this session. Believe me, it will blow your mind. You will not sleep tonight.
Yes, sir.
Ganesh ji, are you there?
In Nandini, ma'am, not joined, right?
No, she hasn't joined today. Hari Ganesh ji, are you there?
Yeah, Hari Ganesh ji, if you can show us the trade what you have taken today.
Yeah, Hari Ganesh ji, how do you enter in the morning? You said you use some other system, right?
No. That was literally based on Fibonacci system.
Can you please share your terminal and show us how you have taken the trade, sir?
No, he can't share terminal.
That is simple, sir. First 1 minute high and low. You just mark, and you can. It is very simple, very simple.
So you took the trade at the retracement.
Yeah.
At 50 or 68, which one do you follow?
At 916, whether it is below 0.5, I'll sell.
All right.
Just like today. And my target will be 1.21 to 272 and 1.618.
But is this technique good? Because the first candle was green, right?
See, Fibonacci is like it is everywhere. It is everywhere.
That's true.
That is my entire system.
What will be your stop loss?
And according to GAN also, 50% is the thing which is going to give a resistance or a support.
Yeah, and your stop loss was the top of the candle, first minute.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you very much.
So because how long you are with sir?
It's been 9 months. More than that. I think when I joined, there were not many people.
God.
14 or 15 people only.
9 months.
More than 9 months actually. I don't know exactly.
Believe me, have been into stock market since 1992.
Oh.
And this is the best system you are going to get.
Even I feel so because I'm there the last 10 years. I never seen like this. And I only ask sir like how to identify who I am. Okay.
Even now I'm literally realizing like number is the thing that is going to work in stock.
हरी जी लाइंस बोल रहे थे ना वो लाइंस मतलब पार्वती एनसीबा लाइन किधर रहने से यूजफुल है
फॉर्चून सिग्नल्स में अगर आप लिए तो
that I have taken sir, but खास setup था ना sir, that all lines should be
1 minute time frame में अगर आप 1 minute time frame में देखिए तो Shakti line is above, then you should not go into buy.
Even this also, I thought in my system. Anyway, you have not seen the video. Okay, so we'll leave the topic now. We'll go to the important topic. The only problem to this layman is we are going to put so much of conditions to this guy. Even though he doesn't know anything about the market, we are going to put a lot of condition to this guy, and this guy is to follow that condition. Right? Even though he is a layman, and he will not see the system to trade, but he will trade every day in Nifty. Let's see whether he is going to make money or not. Okay. This presentation I took in a forum. When somebody asked me whether a layman can make money in intraday trading, I said possible. I said possible. So then I went and worked the system. And then I showed the result. Okay. So that is what you are going to see now. Okay. Same thing. Emotions. All that is same. Okay. So now. Okay. These are the conditions for a layman. Is it possible?
Yeah.
Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is possible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That time when I did the presentation, it was 75 shares. Now it is 50 shares. Okay. Read. Read. Loudly.
Instruct your dealer to execute the trade daily without fail and without calling you.
Done.
Okay.
Strategy.
Okay.
Read the strategy.
First sell one lot Nifty in the morning at 9:15 a.m. and buy it back at 3:30 p.m. So trading over on the same day, even though the market moving continuously in upward direction for the next 5 years.
See, the problem with this layman is suddenly he joined the trading community when Modi came into power. When Modi came into power, index is 7,500. In the next 5 years time, the index went to 12,500. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But this idiot, because he's a layman, he always sell in the morning and buy in the evening. Because he's a layman, he doesn't know what to do in the market. So every day he will sell and he will buy in the evening. He will never buy and sell. He will only sell and he will only buy in the evening. And this is a strategy which he adopted for 5 years. So he's completely wrong assessing the trend. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
He's completely wrong. That is why he's a layman. Because he doesn't know how to see the chart, whether it is higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher low, whatever. He doesn't know anything about the Dow theory. He doesn't know anything about it. This guy started doing reverse for 5 years. Continuously. Next. Read.
Tell your dealer not to update the profit or loss for next 5 years through call or SMS.
Understood?
Yeah. Put your dictator number and broker office number in block mode.
So that you will never get a call from broker office or from the dealer. Yes or no?
Yes.
Why? Because these guys are the real culprits to lose money. These guys are the real culprit for you to lose money because whenever you buy anything and if it goes by 3 rupees, he will call, sir, I think we need to pick the profit, sir, because he thinks it is his money.
Correct.
After he sell, it will go by 10 rupees. So it's better to keep these fools in a block. Right?
Correct.
Next.
Give your friend email ID to get the contact notes and tell your friend to check whether the dealer executed the trade properly in the morning and in the evening as per the time.
Understood?
Yeah. Never read stock market news and never watch stock market channel for update.
That's true.
You concentrate only on your business and never think about your trading. Spend time with your family and friends. Open the ledger account after 5 years and check the balance.
Can this guy make money?
Sir, Modi came, bull run. I don't know. It will be over. Reverse, right?
So how many extra money would have paid? Because whenever the account goes to zero, the friend will get an email saying that his account is zero. So you need to pump in money.
Correct.
Right? Because why lot of conditions here is because he doesn't have time. Yes or no?
Yes.
That is why I gave all these conditions. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. Okay, so now, so in this, there is no strategy, there is no involvement. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The question is, can he make money? This is the question. Okay. Now, so when this guy entered the market moved 7,500 to 12,400. May 15 December 2019. This was the 5 year period which I took. Right? This was the 5 year period which I took. Every day market went up. But this idiot every day is sold and bought. Okay?
Okay.
So the biggest puzzle in the stock market is 15% is your system. Let it be a fortune system or a whatever system. 15% is risk management, and 70% is your
Money management.
psychology.
Okay.
Psychology. That's true. Yeah, that's true.
But according to me, 98% is psychology, 2% is fortune signals. Or numbers, or any technical tool. It is only 2%. 98% is psychology. So if you don't correct this, you will fail miserably, and you are among the 98 who failed. If you think 98% is the system, which is fortune signals, and 2% is psychology, then you are among the number who failed miserably, who is 98%. I will not even take this verse. I will say no. It is only 98% psychology, 2%. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, can he make money? The answer is no. Let's see whether this guy how much money he lost based on this candle. Outcome of the layman saying in the last 5 years, without seeing the system, without adopting fortune signals, without adopting any guru system, blah 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 blah. This is the return.
Oh my God.
So he invested 2 lakhs, and after 5 years, capital has become 9.5768 rupees, which has given 479% absolute. Then 10 years is 2 lakhs and 12. Wait. I know. Then you need to adopt this strategy tomorrow morning. I know. Okay. So capital is becoming 12,77,000. CAGR of 18% per annum, and absolute return is 639%. Same. He adopted the same system in Bank Nifty. This is the profit. CAGR return. Absolute return. 10 years Bank Nifty. This is the return. Then everybody in that forum said Partha is cheating us. Partha is because without knowing anything about intraday trading, without seeing the system, without doing anything, and going reverse on the market, how this idiot can make money? So he is cheating. Partha is cheating us. That is what the complete entire 60 people said. And I said no problem. All is here. All the data is here. Kindly go and do the homework and come on next Friday and tell me whether this number is matching or not. Then after next Friday they came to the meeting. They simply bowed me. Because in this you will get data for the last 15-20 years also. So what do you need to do? You need to take the open price, closing price, subtract. You sold at 18,000 and covered at 18,100 rupees. Yes or no?
Yes.
7,500 gone. So do this for the next 5 years from the date I mentioned, and see whether you are getting the same result ditto or not. Touch wood. When I took this assignment, when I started this working, and I have the Excel with me. When I started this working, touch wood, by God's grace, because I simply had a trust on God. I said, I said, a layman can make money in this market without seeing the market. I simply had the confidence on the market and the confidence on the God, which is nothing but Nifty. I said yes. And touch wood. In the 5 years time, this portfolio of 2 lakhs, not even gone one day minus 500. I'm talking about the overall balance. Maybe first day 7,500 loss, profit. Second day 6,500 loss, net 1,000 rupees plus. Yes or no? So like that, calculate in 5 years time, not even once is balance below 2 lakh, not even 1 rupee below, not even one rupee. Right? So then I made a comparison. I made a comparison of the top mutual funds on that period performed well. In that, when I invested this 2 lakh rupees in Mirae, SBI, ICICI Prudential, Axis, top 100 because these people, they have lot of research analysts to predict the market, blah. Bullshit. The maximum percentage was given by this guy, and this guy given only 4% return. And whereas your fixed deposit has given 29% absolute, your gold has given 39.99, and your silver given 40.85. But my dear layman made 497%. 497%. So all these fund managers will have brains or no?
Yes, sir.
And they will have more than 20 research analysts predict the market, or buy the and hold, blah.
System in place for many supercomputers.
All gone for a toss in front of a layman. And kindly go back. This is the date I started, and this is the day I ended. The date also is exactly 5 years. The date from this date to this date. And if you want, you'll have everything in this website. Right? So what market says is, kindly have a faith on me. If you have a faith on the market will give you humongous return to you. If you think it is gambling for a minute, you are out of the system. If you think it is gambling, you are out of the system. So never, even if it gives loss also, break market out and move out. Come back next day. Come back next day. And be ready to take a small loss, but be ready to follow 100% discipline without emotion. And if you do that, in return, market will give you humongous wealth and peace of mind. So if you go back, just a minute. All these conditions are to cut off the emotions. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I have put this condition only to throw the emotions out. Because if he sees the market, then his mind will come into the picture. He will do some nonsense. If the dealer calls and update the profit, suddenly the dealer says, sir, 3 days continuous loss, sir. Can we change the strategy, sir? Then what he will do? Immediately, fourth day, he thinks everything in the market. He will go and sit with the dealer and trade. Fourth day, he will take office leave, go to the dealer's office. Maybe in the last 3 days, he will have lost 3,000 rupees. When he go and sit with the dealer, his loss will be 30,000 rupees. So I put a full stop for that also. And why I'm telling his friend to email ID? Because if he sees the contract, then he will know what is the picture of his overall push. Then the emotion will shoot up. That is why I said give the friend email ID. Then I said very clearly, you concentrate on your job. No need to listen to CNBC. Spend time with your family. Open the balance. Rest God will take care. In this, what he followed?
Discipline.
That's all. The trust, and 100% discipline. That is why I don't believe in any indicator. I don't believe in any indicator. We understood without seeing the market also, you can make money. Because it is God and it is ready to give you money only. It is not ready to cheat you. Why? Because it's this. Do you think he will cheat you?
No.
Do you think Allah will cheat you? Do you think Jesus will cheat you? No. Here you have the complete trust. And when you go to the temple, you are 100% disciplined. At least half of the week. Many people go for sighting and all. I'm not talking about them. Okay. So when you go enter the temple, you are 100% disciplined. No.
Yes, sir.
You don't have any negative thoughts in your mind. So here also, this is nothing but the God. This is the God's place. So you need to be 100% disciplined. If you do that, God is with you. God is with you. And how many people know? Market moves only based on this. Market moves only based on this. And that is what we are researching. We are able to come out with new ideas. We are researching only this. Market is nothing but this Nataraja statue. Believe me. Can anyone tell me what is this Nataraja statue? Don't say market. What is this Nataraja? Can anybody tell me? Do you think it is Shiva? This is Shiva who is dancing?
Yeah, she was dancing.
She was dancing.
Yep.
No.
360, 90.
All that fine. Okay, 960, 90, 180, 270, all that is fine. So this is space, and inside you have a square, and you have a triangle, all that is understood. But this is apart from all this, there is something into it. What is that?
Market cycle.
Okay, I understood, boss. Market cycle, everything understood. Because this is a cycle in market also, all of the cycle. That is what we are telling. No, I am doing research only on this. Many GAN followers, they do research only on this. The GAN was derived by this. We know all that.
Emblem.
Yeah. But apart from this, there is something inside to this. What is this? Okay, it is nothing but placenta. What is placenta?
No idea.
In mother's womb, you will be inside the placenta.
Okay.
The placenta is the one which is nurturing you, and that is why you have a baby here. People think another way around. It is not wrong. It is wrong. A baby is born from the placenta. When you come out, the placenta will come out. The placenta shape will be like this only. You can go to the Google and you can check how the placenta looks. Because he is the creation and he is the destroyer. I know about Shiva. I'm talking about Shiva. For Allah also is the same. For Jesus also is the same. Whichever God you are saying, the same. Because God is same. So this guy will never cheat you. Never in his life. He always wants to dance with you. He always wants to argue. He always wants to kiss. Provided you are disciplined. If you are not disciplined, he is ready for you to kill you. Understood?
Sir.
Because it is nature. If you are with the nature, how good your feelings are.
Nice.
Also is a nature, yeah. Please be with it, yeah. Please be with it. Buying here, selling here. Again selling here, buying here. Buying here, selling here. Buying here, selling here. Zerodha will make money. End of the day, in the last year, you would have started with 3,000 loss, end to 5,000 loss. Be with the trend. Be with the nature. You cannot drive a cycle against the wind. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You need to change your direction to be with the wind to reach your destination. So be with the market fully. It will take care of you. It doesn't need any of your strategy. So that strategy is all bullshit. Trust the market. Be disciplined. It will give you money. Because he has not put any strategy, no. Simply on the confidence and the trader. And market has given a phenomenon. There's a final thing. If you want to be successful in trading, this is must. This is must.
Sir, what is eating habits like? How it is?
You should not eat pizza, pasta, or whatever junk foods.
Which is not natural.
It should be good to the body.
Okay.
So what is mindful walking exactly mean?
Mindful walking is the same. Many people are walking just for the sake of walking. And many people they are not concentrating on the walking. They are concentrating on the earphone. That is not walking. That is not mindful walking. When you are walking, you need to observe what your breath is doing. That is walking. People are thinking that okay, I am walking for 10 kilometers. Today I finished 10 kilometers. Bullshit. For that, if you do mindful walking for 1 hour, 10 minutes, that is more than enough, yeah. Because everything is in our breath. Many people are not doing this. And even when you are walking, you are not supposed to wear a shoe and walk. Earlier days it was different, and now you cannot do that because many people will spit from the mouth. So you may take something ugly in your food. So you need to use shoes. Why Guru says that when you are going for walking, don't wear a shoe. Because your feet should touch the earth. It should take the feel from the earth. You need to feel the vibration. And that is why many times I will not go walking straight or something like that. I will do only this. How many people know about this? 8 walking. You don't know this.
8.
Yeah, 8 shaped walking. 8 shaped walking. You don't know this?
I'm sorry, no.
Pray. Avoid this walking, yeah. Try this. This is 1,000 times better than walking for 1 hour. 1,000 times better. And earlier our ancients used to do only this. Because the focus will be only within the 8, and it will cure lot of diseases on its own. Because when you are walking, you will be watching your step. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? You need to watch. When you are watching your step, automatically your concentration will go for walking. Kindly go to internet, put eight-shaped walking, then you will know all the benefit of this. Believe me, it will blow your mind. This is thousand times better. Again, I'm telling you. It takes care of your sugar, stress, and many diseases is cured by this. 15 minutes is more than enough. It is equal to 1 hour walking, a normal walking. 15 minutes is enough if you do 8 walking. And you need to follow the procedure. You need to follow the procedure. North to south, south to north. One this side, and after completing one full cycle, then you need to change and do this. That's all. Take a bigger one, 8, and the dimensions, everything will be given in the photos itself. When you go to Google, kindly use the diameter, because I in my house itself on the top, and year after I am doing this, many people copy. Now my apartment has a separate space for this. So they put the entire walking in a separate space. Now many people are using it. This is must.
This can be done in a terrace also, like building.
Do this in your inside the house. In a hall, you can do this.
Wow, very nice.
You don't need to go outside. You go outside, the sunlight will come. This is main. No, you will catch it.
Correct.
Right, and you get a free air. In case if you are not able to go outside, no problem. Put 2 chairs. Walk the chairs, between the chairs. That's all. Right? So kindly go back, go to Google and search for this. Believe me, our ancestors are doing only this, not this. This is that. Okay. So now you understood whether the market will give you money or not.
Yes, sir. It will give.
Any of your system. Right. That's how market works. So be disciplined. That's why I say always show gratitude to market in the morning. Let it punish you, no problem. But it will not punish you for so long. And again and again I say, wait for the guard to come and sit in your lap, then enter. And that is nothing but the blue and red. If the guard doesn't have time to come and sit in your lap today, no problem. Don't get angry. Wait for tomorrow, he will again come. Wait for tomorrow, he will come again. Understood? Sir. That's all. So I'm closing this session. I think more or less 2.5 hours are over. Again saying who you are in front of the mirror, do the exercise, understand all the points which I discussed there. Once you get that, you will have a clarity on what to do. After that, you will never ask any doubt. You will never ask any doubt. And go back and watch the videos again. You will get clarity on fortune signals. When somebody was following intraday, I've already made 8 start videos, which is 3 minutes intraday. How to do intraday. Watch that. It's all 1 minute time frame video. Watch that. The same has to be applicable in 15 minutes or 1 hour or 1 day or 1 month or 1 week or whatever it is. The rules remains the same. The 8 short videos in intraday is more than enough to understand fortune signals. After that, you will not ask any doubt to me. Never ask any doubt to me suddenly after taking a position. Can I hold or not? Because I don't know. I cannot remember 130 people which time frame they are trading. I may give some wrong answer, which will definitely affect you. So simply follow the system. The system knows much better than Parthasarathi. Please understand that. Right? If you follow this, you will stay in the system for long. If not, it is very, very difficult, and you will struggle. Believe me, you will struggle. Okay? Can we close the session?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Session is good. Session is good.
Very nice. Very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Very nice, sir.
Thanks a lot. Bye. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Good night, sir. Good night, sir.
Thanks.
Good night.
Thanks.
Good night.
Good
Good night, sir. Thank you. Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir. Good night.
Night.
Good
Night.
night. Good night.